This is just a really quick tutorial to show how quick a bun can be done. So I'll just, I've done the top so you can see how I do the top, but it's mainly just to show how you can do a really quick bun. So just section off the crown area. It's got some backcomb in there already, so, and some products, so I don't really need to do anything else. Get a little twist, hold it in place, and then just pull to soften. Once you're happy with that, just pin it in place. Then take a section from the side and smooth it out. Give it a little twist, pull out to soften, and place over the centerpiece so you get over it. And then you put it into place. Same again on the other side, take a small piece, smooth it out, soften, little twist, and then you're bringing it over to the right of the centerpiece. And just pin that in place too. And just repeat. Another section, try and keep them the same size. Leave out any face framing pieces you might want. Such a quick and easy style, something we all need when we've got a busy wedding morning. So it's the bun really that I've done this for, because this is I figured out a way of doing a really quick bun that's super secure, so I thought to do the whole video just so I can show you how this is how I prefer to do the top. I might add more backcomb for some people if they want more height, but there is some in there already anyway. So I'm just doing the same again, same size sections. Pulling out, twisting, pinning in place. Just check for any gaps and pull out if you need to. I like to take a good chunk there because I like to get these side sections out of the way so that you haven't got the sort of the bagginess at the neck, so I try to do it this way so you've got that quite nice and tight at the neck there. I do pull it out a little bit but not much, and then same again on the other side. A French pin in there to keep it in place while I just adjust any areas that I want to. It's a really nice soft style this, so I do like to pull out quite a bit. It's nice straight over the ears. So I'm just securing it there if you see any gaps. Then you take 2 elastics. My elastics are quite strong, they're flat and they're quite strong, so I only actually need 2 really. just create your ponytail, pull it right up, and you can remove, start again, you can remove your fringe pins. Get a very small section of padding, just a cut up donut, just a piece of that, pin it into place, at least a couple of pins on each side. And then it's just a simple 3-strand braid, just a 3-strand braid all the way down to the bottom. And just tie off with an elastic and then pull at the braid to really fill it out. This all, make sure it's all even down both sides. Don't pull it out too much, just enough. And then tuck the hair under and then loosely roll it up, hold in place, and then put a couple of pins in on each side. Now you've got to disguise those edges, so just pin at each side to close those gaps. Take the tiniest bit of hair in your pin and just push it in, and that will secure it. My head's in the way there. It looks a little bit low. You can always lift it up by adding a couple of pins. Remember to push your pin up and then down into the style. Then just pull out any pieces to add some volume and even it up. Make sure it's all symmetrical. Check the underneath, make sure you've got nothing funny going on down there. It's just a case now of making it secure and checking it, making sure everything's more or less perfect. I've done so many different types of bonds. This is definitely the most secure, I think. Everyone has different opinions, but for me this is super quick and really, really secure. I've not used any product here because obviously it's just a mannequin. If it was a real person, I'd be going in with my my hairsprays and a wax spray and shine spray, and you know, just to really perfect the style. This is just for the purpose of video. I don't need to use any product. And I'm just softening the sides, making sure there's no gap between the bun and the head. If there is, use some more pins to check it all over, make sure you've got no gaps. There's one there, just pop a pin in. I'd normally curl the sides just to give it a soft wave, but this was just a really, really quick video just to show the bun really. But yeah, I would normally put a wave in those sections that have been left down. That's how easy and quick it is. 3 braid bun. Hope you enjoyed. Leave me a comment. If you'd like to see any more videos on any styles, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.